Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down and find the option which is called display and brightness. Then we have to scroll down and go to the night shift, which is the name of the eye comfort mode or night mode in this device. So let's tap on it. And here we have to tap on this switcher right in the middle to actually turn it on. So manually enable until tomorrow. And now after tapping on it, you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer, it's almost orangish. We can also schedule it just up on the switcher here, and you can let me tap on it. Here we can custom schedule, so we can choose the start and the end time. Just tap on it and choose the start and the end time. And your device will of course apply the mode accordingly, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's up to you which option you prefer to use. And basically, yes, this is the whole customization of the night shift, and this is how to turn it on in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.